Posting a bug in Jira involves creating a detailed issue to track and manage software defects. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Jira, access your Jira instance and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the project. From the Jira dashboard, select the project where you want to report the bug. Click on Projects and choose the relevant project. Open the Create Issue dialog. Click the Create button, usually located at the top of the Jira interface. This opens the Create Issue dialog. Select Issue Type. In the dialog, select Bug from the Issue Type dropdown. This categorizes the issue as a defect needing resolution. Enter bug details. Summary, description, priority, assignee. Set additional fields. Complete any additional fields required by your project, such as components, versions, or affected environments. Create the bug. Click the Create button to log the bug. The issue will be added to the project's issue list. Verify and monitor. Check the newly created bug to ensure all details are accurate. Monitor its status and progress through the workflow.